When you see the code LE on LG washing machine, it indicates that there's a problem with the motor. This error code can appear for several reasons, including installation issues, motor overheating, excessive detergent, improper loading, or motor and wiring failures. Understanding the causes of the code LE on LG washing machine will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. A common cause of the code LE is improper installation. If the washing machine was not set up correctly, it can cause communication issues between the motor and the control panel. In such cases, resetting the machine might help. Turn off the washing machine, then press and hold the Start/Pause button for 5 seconds. Afterward, reconnect the power and run a rinse spin cycle to check if the error code disappears. If the code LE persists, you may need to contact a professional technician to assist with installation. Another reason for the code LE on LG washing machine is thermal overload protection. The motor in your washing machine has a thermal protection feature that prevents it from overheating. If the motor gets too hot, the washing machine will display the LE error code. To fix this, turn off the machine and allow it to cool down for about 30 minutes. After that, restart the machine. If the error continues, there may be a deeper issue with the motor, and it's best to call a technician for repairs. Excessive suds can also trigger the code LE on LG washing machine. This is often caused by using the wrong detergent or adding too much detergent. To resolve this, unplug the washer and leave it for around 30 minutes to let the suds dissolve. Once the soap has dissipated, reconnect the washer and run a no-spin cycle, then perform a rinse spin cycle. You may need to repeat this process to fully clear the suds and resolve the LE error code. Improper loading can also cause the code LE. Overloading the washing machine or using heavy cycles like delicates or hand wash with a large load can strain the motor. To fix this, reduce the load size by removing some items from the washer, then reset the machine by turning it off and holding the Start/Pause button for 5 seconds. After the motor has cooled down for about 30 minutes, restart the cycle. If the error persists, a technician may be needed to investigate further. If the washer is having trouble spinning, there could be an obstruction in the drive system. Begin by cancelling the cycle and removing the laundry. Check for any items lodged between the spin basket and the outer tub, as this could prevent proper spinning. You should also check for excessive suds, which can interfere with the spin cycle. Run a drain-only cycle to remove any remaining water. And, if necessary, use a wet-dry vacuum to extract water from the drain hose. If the basket is stiff or difficult to turn by hand, the issue may lie with a damaged spin bearing, and the washer will need to be disassembled to replace it.